Hello and welcome to the course. In the last lecture, we have seen the performance-wise comparison between calculatetable and the filter function. And today we need to know that when we have to use calculatetable and when we have to use the normal filter. To elaborate this, I need to create one measure in Power BI. So let's go to any table, for example, sales. And I need to write one measure like total sales, or I have to write like actual sale, and it is sum x. The table name is sales. And the expression is sales amount minus tax amount. That's it. Hit enter. So this is one measure that we have created. So now let's go back to the Duck Studio. And here I need to write one formula, one expression like calculate table, and then the table name is name product category, and for this I also need to refresh the metadata so that we can get the measure that we have created. So in the sale table, if we go, we have one actual sale, and then the condition here is we have here product color is equal to red, and then the other condition is product, or we can just drag and drop the actual sale is greater than 200. Just need to close it and hit enter. And here you can see we are getting one error like calculate has been used in too fast. The expression that is used as a table filter expression, this is not allowed. So if we have a measure and we need to use that measure in the filter, so we cannot use in calculatable. If I use the same stuff with the filter, normal filter function, so evaluate and filter, the first one is the product, then we have to write here one condition, products color is equal to red, and the actual sale is greater than 200. Need to close it, and now let's execute, and here you can see it works. We are getting these rows. Whenever we have a measure and we need to use that measure in the filtering criteria, we always have to use filter function, and whenever we need to apply the filter on any column, then we have to use calculate table because it is much faster.